Hello and welcome to a short presentation on how to place buy and sell orders on the Metatrader platform. The things you want to have showing on the platform is obviously the chart, and this section here is known as the terminal window. We find this, let's go with this, we find this using the terminal button here. We can click it on and click it off by pressing this button here. We've marked off this particular strategy is a breakout strategy, and what we're going to do is place a pending buy order going up from this point and a pending sell order going down from this point. So we mark off our high point and our low point, and we add the necessary pips, and then we want to place an order for when the market reaches these particular points. So the first thing to do is to hover the mouse over the word order on the terminal bar and right click to get up this window. We select new order. This is the order screen, and it defaults to the instant execution. We want to change that to pending order. Now when we look at the type on pending order, there are four options. We ignore the limits for this particular strategy. We only want the buy stop and the sell stop. So we'll start with the buy stop. This is a buy order in actual fact. The next thing we need to do is check that the volume or the lot size of our trading is as we want it. If we need to change it, we click the down arrow here. I'm comfortable with this lot size. And when we've done that, we then look at entering at a certain price. Now the market I'm particularly demonstrating here is the euro against the Great British Pound, and if you look across to the right hand side, you'll see that it's all 0 point and then 5 decimal places. So what I particularly do is just highlight the last 5 decimal places. Now we're entering an up order, a buy order here, so I've decided I want to enter at 88345. So I'll type that in, and then the next thing we need to do is protect our trading account by placing a stop loss, and I'm just going to place this 20 pips away, so that makes things a bit simple. We then want to put 88, deduct 20 pips from our entry price because we're going up, remember, so 88145, and finally we'll assume just a 20 pip take profit, so that is going to add 20 pips to this price here. We're ignoring the 5th decimal place because it's not actually a whole pip as it were, so we now want 88545. I'm happy with that. Final check of the figures. That's our entry, that's our stop loss. So going up, our stop loss should be less in value than the entry price, and the take profit should be more in value than the entry price. Happy with that, so we'll place that order and we're okay. The reason you see the green section here is because the actual market price is nearing our entry order. I've got this on a demo account, so I'm not going to be spending any money while I'm demonstrating this. So we've set up the buy order now, and you should see these 3 lines. This demonstrates the entry, this demonstrates the take profits, and this demonstrates where we would be taken out of the trade if it went against us. Now we want to do the same for going down. So we hover over the order, right click, select new order, and we want to change instant execution to pending order. We're happy with our volume, but if we're not, we would check that. We want to change the type. This time it's sell stop or a sell order, and we'll highlight the last 5 decimal places, and we want to come, I just tend to go in 1 pip below the low here, so the order I'm going to place is 87888. 87888. So that's our entry price. Now the stop loss, because we're going downwards, must be 20 pips, as we're having a 20 pip stop loss, 20 pips higher than this price. So this time our stop loss is 88088. That's right. And our take profit, which we're keeping to 20 pips, remember, will be 20 pips below this price, because we're looking to make money on the market going down this time. It's a sell order. So the price there will be 87688. I'm not mistaken. Final check of those. So that's our entry. Our stop loss should be 20 pips above our entry this time, because we're going downwards. And our take profit should be 20 pips below our entry price, because we're going downwards. Once you're happy with that, you place that order, confirm, and then you should have more lines across the screen, so your screen's looking like this. Why we do this is so we're letting the market tell us what way it's going to go. I hope that's clear. Bye for now.